Welcome, Flippin Customized. You found our channel, super happy you did. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell so you get some more content. So I've been asked by some of my viewers to make an intro. So as you see in the intro, I did a whole bunch of little video clips. It's just a taste of what we do, including a lot of rat rod stuff. Unfortunately, the rat rod is buried in the snow right now because up here in Maine, Flippin Customized, what you gotta deal with. So, if you like cool builds, you like LS stuff, you like car shows, car clubs, fabrication, powder coating, anything with wheels, built not bought, or modified, tune in and subscribe. You're gonna like it. Flippin Customized. Thanks guys.